know, this might be my new boo for the fall, okay? For the fall. Like, this make you fall. Not fall, but fall. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. That wig was giving me life, honey. All right, so we going in with a spoolie brush, brushing our hairs up and over. I will list all makeup details and products used in the description box, so go ahead and drop that down whenever you're ready to read it. All right, so now I'm using my Wet n Wild pencil to line my brows, and then I'm gonna fill them according to my liking. So when filling my brows, I do my best to stay away from the front area because I'm going to take that spoolie brush and I'm going to blend the product forward. That gives it that natural brow look. So yeah, try your best not to go that far up, girl, because I mean, we ain't trying to have no Sharpie brows. All right, so I went ahead and primed my face off camera. I'm going in with Fenty Beauty's Hydrating Long Wear Foundation. That was a mouthful. That's in the shade 420. And then I'm going in with a drugstore foundation. I do mix my foundations because when I first started my makeup journey, you know, I was choosing the wrong shades. So that Fenty Beauty is too bright for me. So I do go in with a darker foundation. Going in with my P. Louise base to carve those brows like I want them, girl. This is my favorite base, y'all. Like, I keep trying to switch up, but it's really hard. I've been using this over a year and a half now, so it's really hard to change up from my base. All right, going in with the Crayon Case Mattebook Eyeshadow Palette. And I'm taking that dark color and tapping it right above my crease. Make sure that you tap it in place to get it as pigmented as you want it. Then I'm going in with a maroon color and just blending it out right above that dark color. So I'm making sure that it's no harsh lines and, you know, looks appropriate. Now I'm taking some Vaseline. Yes, Vaseline, to take some of that product off to make a little, I don't even want to call it a cut crease because I didn't take my time and make sure it was nice and pretty. Going in with some loose leaf wipes by the Crayon Case and wiping that excessive product off. And now I'm taking my concealer again by P. Louise and making that semi-cut crease. Going in with some orange eyeshadow, and I'm tapping it until I got my pigmentation on points. I'll be using this concealer today by the Crayon Case. This is in the number 8. It's a very, very light coverage. All right, now that we are done highlighting, going in with LA Pro Girl Pro Conceal. I think this is in the color Mocha, but like I said, it'll be listed below. And I'm applying this to my contoured areas, the areas that I want to contour. Getting rid of that chin, baby, because we done put on some weights. And blending that product out. I wasn't a big fan of applying setting powder up under my contour area, but baby, it changed my life when I just started blending it out afterwards. So that was by the Crayon Case in the shade Y. So I did set my face. I don't know how I didn't record that, but I did set my face with that same setting powder by the Crayon Case. So I'm going in with this Black Radiance palette, contour palette, and I'm just applying the little product that I have left on my face. So I can go ahead and just trash this palette. You know, I think we done did our time, and it's time to separate. Going in with NYX Matte Liner. This is one of my favorite liners. It just dries down matte, of course, because it really stands up to its name. Going in with the Crayon Case mascara and just prepping my eyes for my lashes. Apply my lashes off camera. I'm using the Masquerade palette, this autumn color. I don't even know what color to call it, but I'm using that color to as blush today. So getting my cheeks nice and preps, baby. I used to be really scared to highlight, and now that's like my favorite thing to do. So I'm using that same pencil I used on my brows to line these lips. And listen, when it comes to the lips, baby, we got to get together. Now, I take my time on my lips because I'm not the best at lining my lips all the time. So I try to take my time, make sure they're just right, because I have some pretty lips, if I do say so myself. And yeah, y'all let me forget to highlight my nose because y'all ain't loyal. Okay, highlighting the nose and, you know, pressing them lips in. For whatever reason, I held my lips that long. So you already know. Don't judge me. Judge your mama. Going in with Fenty Beauty's lipstick. Oh, y'all, oh my God. This lipstick is to die for. I definitely have to get me some more. And yeah, I don't know why I was rubbing my lips in like that, but I did it a couple times. And getting those lips perfect. Like, perfect. Removing that excessive liner down there. Really just making sure that it blends really good. Because, girl, I start feeling myself. You see that? All right, so we're looking a mess. So you know what time it is. Wig time. Yes, baby. Yes. So this is my favorite little $20 wig, y'all. I got that wig for $20. get into it. We are beats for the gods, okay? So if you have not by now, please take a moment to like and subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'm out.